So we just installed WooCommerce, and when you install WooCommerce you will see a bunch of pages that are popping up as new pages. For example, cart, checkout, my account, and the shop page. Shop page will be very important because this is the page where we will display our products. If you would look at our website right now, you will see the menu, and there's one thing missing, because what is missing, the most important page, our shop page. So what we are going to do is we are going to adjust the main menu, and we can do that by going to appearance, then go to menus. The main menu is already selected right here, so that's good. We select the shop page. On the left we click add to menu, and then the shop page will be on the bottom, but we will drag it right over here as a main item in the menu. As the second item, we will click on save menu. Now I'm going to reload the page, and you will see the result right here. We have the shop page right here. Actually, we can rename this one. So that's nice. You can give the navigation label a different name, and I'll show you what it's gonna look like. So we reload the site, and then it says shop for teddy bears. Because we're going to build a store that's going to sell fluffy teddy bears, we just made a link for the shop page to shop for teddy bears. That's obvious. It's clear for visitors who will come onto your website. They will see this link, they will click it right away, and they are going to expect products here. Right now you will not see products here because we did not add products yet, but that's the next thing we are going to do. So then we go to products, and first of all we're going to make categories. You will have an uncategorized category here, so you can edit this one, because this is a category that you can delete, so you might as well rename it. And what we would like to sell is teddy bears, small teddy bears, and I copy this text right here and paste it here for the slug. The slug is the URL friendly version of the name of the link, so it will appear later as the product name in the link. So this will be small teddy bears, and we can actually set a picture for that if we would like to. We can already upload a bunch of pictures right here, so let's do that. Right now I'm uploading all the pictures that I want to set for the products, so I will have that done right away. And right now I'm going to select one picture for the main category, and I will click on update. Okay. Now description, you can give a description right here. I would advise to do that because it helps your search engine optimization a lot. And you can type a description right here about small teddy bears, what kind of product it is, and what you are selling. And that will eventually help your SEO. I'm gonna do a one-liner here. So I just made it a one-liner here, like we are selling beautiful, cute and fluffy small teddy bears for all ages. So we click on update, and we just made this category. I will copy this text because I'm going to use it in the next category. Then you can click on here by going back to categories, and we're going to make a new category. Now you can already paste the description right here. I'm also going to copy and paste the name into the slug right here. And over here I am going to change small into, and I just realized I made a typo, sorry for that, because it's life-size teddy bears, of course. Now I can also again upload an image or add an image, and because I already uploaded the images, I can select one right here. Let's go for this one. I like this one. Use image. We add the new category, and there you go. We just created two product categories: small teddy bears for selling small teddy bears, and life-size teddy bears for big ones like yourself, like life-size teddy bears. And right now we're going to add two products to our store, and we click on add new. And over here you can add the product name. So I'm going with pretty standard description right here, but like small teddy bear, and then we have the cutest small teddy bears for all ages. Fluffy, beautiful, and cute. So over here you would set the regular price for the product. For example, will be $35. And also here I will put a short product description. I will show you how it looks like in just a couple of seconds. So also here I'm going to disable the title and the breadcrumb, and for now I can set a product image. For example, I can pick this one, which will be the main image for the product, and then over here you can select product gallery, click on the link, and then you can add more pictures, so it will become a gallery. Then we do that thing again with this picture. And where I got these pictures I will show you, because basically that's what dropshipping is. I got them from AliExpress right here, and I made a couple of screenshots of those pictures, but you can also save those pictures and then upload them to your site. But these are the pictures that you can use for selling the product. So basically we set up the product here. You can also go to shipping. For here you could set the weight, the dimensions, and the shipping class. Shipping class would be in the shipping zone that you can configure in the WooCommerce settings. I'm not going into detail for that right now, because shipping is something that's very detailed and you need to figure that out for your own products, because it's not a general setting that you can show here. So basically we've made a product. We made a product title, a description. We set the price for the product. Over here you can put the sale price for the product if you would have it on sale. So I'm recording this video in October. So if you would do it on if you would have a sale on Black Friday, you could set a sale price right here. I will show it to you in a couple of minutes. We have a short description right here. We have a main picture for the product. We added some pictures for the gallery. So we're going to click on publish. One more thing. We're going to click the category right here, small teddy bears. And we click on publish. Now I will reload this page. And you can see the product is coming up right here. And you will already see a the title of the product. You will see the price. Over here, this is the star for reviews, review stars. If customers will give you recommendations, this will eventually be displayed here. And also add to cart option. Now you can click the product and you can see the short description right here. And also here's a little description. 0 reviews at this moment. That's obvious because we don't have any customers yet. You can add it to your cart. You can click a picture right here. This is the gallery. And you can also enlarge by clicking on this looking glass right here, and you can switch to the next picture, and you can also exit here. So this is looking very nice. We've added our first product, and we made a description for the product, we made a title, set a price. I will show you how it works with sale price. For example, it's Black Friday and you want to do a super stunt. You want to make a sale and you put this at $25, so it's $10 off. You click on update. I'm going to reload this page for you. You can already see here that it's on sale because there's a strike through $35 and it says $25. Also the sale icon comes up here. And if you click the product, you can see exactly the same. You can see that it's on sale right here. And you can see that the price has a strike through for $35. And it's now, at this moment, it's $25. So you can see how easy it is to add a product with WooCommerce. How to add a product, make a product description, set the price, and also make a main picture for the product and fill a gallery. And for now, that's it for adding products to the website. and we will continue in the next video and make the show. We will build up the store. We will expand the store more.